So I can boldly tell you that with or without a green screen, you can change your background from any background you have previously to any background on your choice. And on this video, I'll be showing you exactly how it's done in less than 5 minutes. So now you can start creating, and guess what? You do not even need any serious lighting equipment in this case. So why wouldn't you watch this video to the very end to see what I'm talking about? So I'll get into my CapCut app. And I'm going to click on new project, and I'm going to go to photos. I have some backgrounds I'm going to be trying out, which I just downloaded. I have the beach, I have the luxury bedroom, luxury. I have the beach, I have the luxury bedroom, I have the luxury sitting room, and I have this kitchen backgrounds. I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be fixing up. I'm going to be changing the background of the video I showed you originally into here. Now let's see how I'm going to be doing that. I will come down here. Look, I have all my backgrounds here, all my backgrounds here, I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to use the CapCut app totally from A to Z. And of course, you know, my tutorials are always in depth. Now let's go. Can you see this right here? You could put transitions, any transitions of your type, but I'm not really interested in the transitions for this particular videos, for this particular tutorial. I'm just interested in showing you how to change the background of any video of your choice. I mean, any video of your choice. Yes, it doesn't matter if it's a green screen or whatever, but right here you can uproot your previous videos from your previous background, from any video, and then place yourself in your beautiful scene. So I'm going to be doing this using these 4 locations. So I'm going to be showing you how possible this is. Now let us go. I will start from here. I'm going to go to the overlay, click on, now this way I went to, I clicked on, look right here, these are all the options. I'm going to take you on a proper tutorial for this. Just follow me for this one. Overlay, and then I'll click on add overlay. Then I will come down here to look for my video. I have a video, the video already I showed you is the exact video. So let's go straight to videos. So this is my video here. I'll bring it in. All right. Now this is the video. So from how the video is positioned, you actually know how you want your background to be. You zooming in or zooming out your background, or probably you're positioning your human self well. So let's go. This is not a full video. I could do with a full video. Let me try a full video. Let's go back, taking off the video plus. What full video do I have on my device? I really don't have a full video. Let me see what's going to happen with this. Okay guys, let me add this up, and let's go and click on the video. And then can you see the options came out down here? Once I clicked on the video, I'm going to click on remove background. Look at that, background is completely taken off. So easy guys, this did not take my time at all. Now I've come to the image, I'll tap on it and I'll zoom it in to the position that looks nice. Zoom in, so this looks nice on this beachfront. So guys, let's see how it goes. Now let me play it for you guys. You're going to see the different backgrounds. When I get to the different, of course I'm going to zoom the backgrounds to fit in. Now let's go, let's see. Now guys, if you notice something, there are cracks in between. You will notice that some parts were not properly edited. Now I'll tell you the reason why. Just stay with me. Okay guys, did you see that? So now what can you notice something? Now the reason you're having this cut off here is because of the lighting. So whenever you know you're going to, if you have a video that you want to change the background, just make sure that the lighting on every part is even and good. Now I have shown you this. Look at this. Now that I have shown you using this particular video, I'm going to also show you using the other video that has my half self up. So the lighting is not very fair on this video, but if you look at it, it's a clean stuff. It's a clean work. So I'm going to be taking this off. Good. Now I will take up this, delete. I'm going to come here, go to add overlay, taking this particular video because why? The lighting is cool and good. Now don't mistake that actually. Okay, let me do something else. Let me go for this video. I have, look at this video. Look at this particular video. I also have a good lighting here. This is indoor lighting, just in case you're wondering, is it just when the sunlight is good? No, indoor lighting. This is just my sorry, ring light. Now I'm gonna add this, and I'm going to, of course, come here and take off the background as I did. Look here, remove background. Done. Now good. Look at this. Now I will be zooming it into how I want it to be. Can you see this is such a clean cut here? This is such a clean cut here. This is such a clean cut of the background over here, of which I can zoom in and out the way I like. I mean, I just don't know this particular feature. Let me take off this. Let me take off this so it doesn't interrupt. This particular feature makes things so easy. And let's look at it. Like I wanted to also show you, I'm going to use the other video that I wasn't having so much movement. This is obvious that this is possible. Look at how clear it looks. Now let's go back. I've taken off this video completely. Now I'm going to be taking in the third video plus right on the overlay. Now you don't understand why I'm actually talking of the lighting. So in case you cannot access good indoor lighting, please make available your sunlight by stepping outside to have the great lighting, of which has helped in this video right here. Now look at it. This is just sunlight. I threw open my windows and I got good lighting, and you see how perfect this looks. Now let's go. Let me get right here. I will go to remove background. It's all gone. Now let's see. Did you notice something? Did you notice something? Say, look down here, remove background 27%. It's still going. But if you notice something, it's so clear and sharp. If you notice something, it's close. Don't bother about the CapCut at the end. It could be trimmed off. It's so sharp and clear. I'm going to take off this. Good. So now let's go. Let's see it.
Boldly rooted lotions, butters, and creams are designed.
Guys, did you see this? Now, let me do something. I'm at the beach. I will adjust the background. Let's adjust me to suit into the background. Good, great, guys. So let's see what happens.
Boldly rooted lotions, butters, and creams are designed.
So on the next background, is it adjusted to fitting? Yes, it is. So no need to move anything. On the next background, let me see. No, it's not properly adjusted. So I will adjust the background by just, once you tap on it, you move it to suit. You can zoom in the background to suit. So guys, this looks like a suit. It suits the video properly. So let's go.
Skin looking rejuvenated.
Can you see that? So the kitchen background, I'll also come and I will zoom in, move down, zoom in to fit. If it's not fitting, you can equally split the human figure to move in. Now let's go. I can tap on myself, move myself in, move myself down, out, up, anyhow I want to. I can equally split at any point. I can equally split at this point. I can equally split at this point so that it fits into how I want it to look here. Now let's go. I will zoom in this background, move it up, and I will be adjusting the person in this to fit in. So let's see. No, I really can adjust it because of the kind of background. Of course, you actually use your own initiative to pull the stunts here. Sorry, I'm saying stunts. I just want you to understand what I'm trying to do. So guys, with this, I've actually shown you how to take off your background easily. Like, I mean, just stand outside. If you don't have, guys, so you have no reason not to create. Just get outside, use your sunlight, position your phone, get going, and of course get into any beautiful background of your choice. You have absolutely no reason not to create. Please guys, Now guys, you realize that you have absolutely no reason not to create. Just get outside. If you don't have an artificial lighting, if you don't have artificial lighting equipment, get outside, or you probably throw open your windows to get enough sunlight. And because actually this was an indoor video, but I just threw open my windows to get enough sunlight, and I created this video. And look at that.
Boldly rooted lotions, butters, and creams are designed to soften,
Edited into several backgrounds of my choice. Guys, you can find yourself
hydrate, having your skin looking.
You can find yourself in any location of your choice without a green screen. How beautiful is that? Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this interesting. See you on my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for staying put with me. And of course, you can change you can actually save in a higher resolution. You can see that, but I'm just going to save in the 1080p. Yeah, my video is saved to device and the project's right in here. So guys, thank you for staying with me.